Hi Ninjas, welcome to the Injective Ecosystem News Roundup. Here are the top stories in Injective in the first half of September. Injective launches first tokenized index for Blackrock'S Buidl fund. Mercuryo brings Fiat On-Ramp to Injective. Injective Web3 Hackathon, new Helix listings, and more. New Injective dApps and integrations, tech updates, milestones, events, and much more in this episode. And now, today's top stories. Injective launches first tokenized index for Blackrock'S Buidl fund. Injective has announced the launch of the first ever tokenized index for Blackrock'S Buidl fund, providing users with unprecedented access to institutional-grade financial products through on-chain instruments. Traders can now gain exposure to the Buidl fund via the DEX built on Injective, such as Helix, with the lowest fees and fastest transaction speeds. The Buidl fund, Blackrock's first tokenized product, offers US dollar yields and is backed by assets like US treasuries and cash. As of recent data, the fund has amassed over $500 million in assets under management, making it the largest tokenized fund to date. With the launch of the Buidl index, users can now trade perpetual futures that track the supply of the fund in real time, allowing long or short positions with leverage. Injective's revenue climbs to new heights in August. Injective continues its upward trajectory, ranking among the top 10 blockchains by revenue for August of 2024. With $1.54 million in revenue, Injective ranks 6th on the list, highlighting its growing influence in the blockchain ecosystem. Injective outperformed several well-established blockchains, including BNB Chain and OP Mainnet, further solidifying its position as a leading force. Injective is now one of the largest blockchains in history for tokenized RWAs, third overall, as you can see in this graph, just below Ethereum and Polygon. Moreover, Injective offers the widest array of tokenized asset types in the industry, including US treasuries, government securities, commodities, and FX, with a total market cap of over $670.1 billion. Helix lists the first perpetual market for Blackrock'S Buidl fund. Helix, the leading decentralized on-chain derivatives exchange built on Injective, has introduced the first ever Buidl index, perpetual futures market. This listing enables users to trade Buidl/USDT perp, offering unparalleled access into indexation of Blackrock'S Buidl fund, a tokenized fund that tracks the supply of US treasuries. The Buidl Index Perpetual Market allows 24/7 access to institutional-grade tokenized assets, with leverage options available to traders. Helix's seamless integration with Injective ensures the fastest speeds and lowest fees in the crypto space. Helix listed additionally MKR and AVE perpetuals, and both are available to trade. Mercuryo brings Fiat On-Ramp to Injective for seamless access to Web3. Injective has partnered with Mercuryo, a leading Web3 payment solution provider, to bring an effortless Fiat On-Ramp to the Injective bridge. This integration allows users to quickly and securely purchase INJ with widely accepted payment methods such as Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and bank transfers. With over 25 supported fiat currencies, including USD, EUR, GBP, and JPY, users can easily go from traditional finance to Web3 in just a few clicks. The Injective Bridge is a versatile interface that connects users to over 20 networks, including Ethereum, Solana, and Arbitrum. Now with the integration of Mercuryo, the bridge further simplifies the onboarding process, enabling both crypto newcomers and seasoned users to access the Injective ecosystem without the typical hassles of transitioning from fiat to digital assets. Injective unveils a new cover photo celebrating a unified community. Injective has released its latest cover photo showcasing a vibrant and diverse ninja-themed community. This artwork symbolizes a strong unity within the Injective ecosystem, bridging together a colorful cast of characters that represent the growing power of decentralized finance, NFTs, and the wider blockchain world. As Injective continues to innovate and expand, this image serves as a visual tribute to the community's collective mission. One ninja family united forever. Injective Web3 Hackathon, innovating for a better tomorrow. Injective is co-hosting one of the world's largest Web3 hackathons of the year in collaboration with the government of Dubai, Bybit and DMCC Crypto Center. The DMCC x Bybit Web39 Unleashed event invites developers, tech pioneers, and investors from around the world to tackle real-world problems using Web3 technologies. And that is all for today's Injective Ecosystem Public Review. So if you enjoyed it, just click that like button, subscribe button, and bell icon too. We are the top 1 Injective relayer in the last month by total number of TXS, and one of the best by uptime and performance as well. Ninjas, consider supporting our Injective infrastructure and educational content with a delegation to our Injective validator. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you ninjas very soon in the next episode.